In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the copy or the saving of an image in Blogger. So right now I'm on my Blogger blog and I have an image, right? And by default, people will be able to right click on this image. They'll be able to, one, copy the image, and they'll also be able to save the image. But with this one piece of code and this 2-minute tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can disable people from being able to copy and save your image. So what you want to do is go to your Blogger dashboard, and once you're here, you want to then go to the layout section. Now from layout, you then want to go to the sidebar top, click add a gadget, and you want to then add HTML/JavaScript. Now give this a title, so I'm just going to call this image hidden. You can call it whatever you want. And then you need to copy in some code here. So I'm going to leave this website in the description below. This website, all credit goes to NOSR Webs, and they have an article on how you can disable copy and paste of text as well as images. So this is the one I'm going to link you to, how to disable image copying on Blogger. So what you want to do is come to this link and then scroll down to the code. Now you want to go ahead and start by copying the code and then end here where it says, where it ends on script. So go ahead and copy all of that code, highlight it all, click copy. Then head back to your Blogger backend, and then you want to paste that into the content section, then click save. Now once you've done that and your widget has updated, you can go back to your post and refresh. And now if people right click, you can see it says function disabled. So this completely disables people from being able to right click on your images and copying them. So I hope that quick video did help you out. Let me know if it was helpful in the comment section below.